Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube comments not showing. If you are not able to see any comments on YouTube, this video is for you, so make sure to stick till the end. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, make sure that YouTube app is updated to its latest version on your device. If your app is missing any kind of updates, you might not be able to see the comments. For that, open the Play Store on your device, and on the top of the screen on the search bar, search for YouTube, and in here if you haven't updated your app, you'll see update option where I have open option. Tap on there and wait until the app get updates, and when it is updated, go back and look if you can see the comments or not. If not, again you have to update your account as well. For that, launch the YouTube app and then make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will see this interface, and then now again from the upper right corner of your screen, tap on the settings icon. When you see this interface, from the top of the list, tap on General, and in here scroll down. There you will see Restricted Mode. If you have turned that toggle on, the comments may be hidden due to the restricted mode, so make sure that you turned that off. Once you turn that off, you might be able to see all the hidden comments. Now go back and you will see all the comments. So this is how you can fix the YouTube comment not showing. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.